So let's talk about the 4 key risks areas that you need to address for the governance and risk management. Number 1 is the hallucination. Agents powered by these large language models can still generate incorrect or misleading content, right? And don't forget, this risk is not just about output. It's about making wrong decisions that no one can potentially catch it, right? Overconfidence and autonomous bias. So if the user assumes agents are always correct, they must stop questioning the output. This can lead to approvals, which are leading to a flawed recommendation. Bias and fairness. Agents can learn from historical data, may replicate or even amplify a bias, right? Which is going to be especially dangerous in hiring, lending, as well as the healthcare. And last one is the data leakage or privacy, right? Agent, again, can access sensitive data. They must follow strict access controls. So, and basically, many times it's not enough to mask the data. You need the governance at the system level.